Hi everyone, Alan from Newlands Nursery, and this is Dracaena Golden Dragon, a really unusual Dracaena. You've probably all seen Dracaenas around, but you probably haven't seen this one. So it has these really vivid lime green, almost yellow stripes down the centre, with this lovely, beautiful sort of burgundy, almost like burnt red, sunset red on the outside. A really special plant, and this is an established plant, so this has been grown for a long time now and is nice and easy to look after. So put this in your kitchen, on your coffee table, somewhere like that. We tend to find that it works in loads of situations. It doesn't like deep shade. I've got an area in my house where it's really dark. This one doesn't like it, so a little bit of light doesn't go amiss, but not direct sunlight. We're coming into the winter now, so the light levels we're getting is less anyway, so it's less a concern, but bear that in mind. It doesn't want direct sunlight or really deep shade. Other than that, nice and simple to look after. And what you've found with house plants is, as they get more established, as they get bigger, they're even easier to look after, specifically something like this. So it's been growing for a while now, and I've said it in lots of videos about our established ones, stock is limited. It takes a while to grow them to this size. So this is $47.99, which is a great price for such an unusual, I'm going to say rare plant. So one worth checking out if you're in the market for a house plant, you want to brighten up your house, you can't go wrong for something like this. Any problems at all, get in contact. See you soon.